Alright guys, we're going to do a quick unboxing review of the NC Star pistol and rifle LED flashlight. Got it off Amazon for $21.17 shipped. So here we go. Just going to go ahead and open this up real quick for you guys. Alright. So, there's your box. Yay. Open it up for you. Paperwork. Alright, so you got your light, and it looks like a CR 123 battery, generic. Put that aside. Alright, so there you go. Is the flashlight itself. It's pretty sturdy. It's got some good weight to it. Feels pretty good. I'll go ahead and toss the battery in it real quick. Let's see. There we go, that way. Oop, like that. And put the light bulb back in. There you go. Feels really sturdy. Just make sure it works. Very cool. It's got a little push button on each side. Alright. And let's go ahead and put it on my gun here. Glock 19. You guys know what these are. Let me just safety check it for you. And it was loaded. Look at that. Alright. Okay. So, I haven't done this yet, but we'll figure out how. There's a little lever there. Hopefully I can figure this out on the first try for you. Maybe. There we go. Alright, and then to get it on all the way, you push down on that little lever right there. And you slide it on. There we go. You hear it lock in. And it's not going anywhere. It adds a little weight. It looks pretty cool. Then again, you got the finger switch right there. Turns it on and off on the other side. On, off. It feels pretty good. So I might do another review, but it's pretty bright. I'm gonna change the battery in it right away because I just don't trust these generic brand batteries. Probably just use some Surefires. Use them in all your tactical lights. Yeah, but that's about it. Looks pretty good. Matches the finish of the Glock pretty well. Nice aluminum, black dark finish, logo. Looks pretty good. And take it off, you just push down and slide it out. You know what? I'm going to leave it on because I can't get it off. But anyway guys, there you go. That works. It's a flashlight. Haven't shot it yet, so we'll see how long that bulb lasts in there. Should do pretty good. But for 20 bucks, shipped from Amazon, not bad. Alright guys, I love that sound. There you go. It's a Glock 19 with the NC Star Tactical Flashlight. 20 bucks, Amazon. Check it out. You guys could like this video, that would be awesome. And leave your comments. Let me know what you think. Alright? Thanks.